Hi there, let's set up the screen lock on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So first let's go to settings and scroll down to the lock screen menu. Tap here, and here we need the very first item, screen lock type. Here we have few options: PIN, password, pattern, swipe, no security, and biometrics options. Let it be pattern for today. And first you have to draw your pattern connecting at least 4 dots and tap continue, and redraw your pattern for confirmation and tap confirm. Straight away you're prompted to set up your lock screen notifications. For example, you can hide the notifications content, which makes sense for privacy purposes, or you can hide your notifications from always on display. When you're all set, just tap done, and if you wish so, you can turn on the remote unlock, which allows you to unlock your phone if you forget your password or pattern. I prefer to skip this step for now, and I think we're all set. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.